Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to clean phone speakers. Friends, if you find any voice quality issue in your mobile phone, then it will be better to clean your phone speaker to fix the problem. So to clean your mobile phone speaker, you simply need to click on settings, press on this gear icon. Now here scroll it little down. Press on additional settings. In additional settings, press on clear speaker. Now it is advising to play 30-second audio to clean the speaker. To clean your speaker, it is advising to run this audio 2 to 5 times. So to play this 30 seconds audio to clean the speaker, you need to press here. After 30 seconds, it will automatically stop. You need to repeat this process 2 to 5 times to clean your speakers. So friends, like this you can very easily clean your phone speaker from dust etc. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.